Hello guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat at welcome na naman po sa ating Hamster Combat. Ayan, so right now guys, for this video tutorial, syempre, ang ating daily combo na 5 million additional points. Wag na natin patagalin pa, for sure maraming naghihintay ngayon sa ating daily combo dahil malaking bagay syempre yung 5 million. So, wag na natin patagalin, umpisa na natin at hanapin na natin ang ating daily combo card. Ayan, so punta tayo sa mine. Tapos guys, ayan, so nag-reset as of 8 PM. And then, ano nga ba? Yung daily combo card natin guys para makareceive tayo ng additional 5 million points. Okay, so umpisa na natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, meron akong 18,989 plus na points. Bakit? Dahil last day or yesterday, medyo mataas yung kinailangan nating points sa isang card pa lang, 1.75 million. So ngayon, ready na tayo guys. So kaya na nating i-upgrade yung tatlong card. Okay, so for our daily combo guys, June 19, araw po ng Wednesday, ang ating daily combo, unang card guys ay yung mismong hamster tube. Yung hamster tube natin guys is nandito po sa PR team. Ayan, so pagka kinlik nyo yung PR and team, ayan, makikita nyo agad, bubungad agad yung pinaka-hamster tube guys. Ang maganda, level 13, nangangailangan lang tayo ng 95.9k na points. Okay, so unang-unang card natin guys, again, punta tayo sa PR and team, tapos bubungad agad yung pinaka-hamster tube. Okay, so level up na natin. And then, go ahead. Ayan. So, as you can see guys, cool. First card is ready. Don't stop. Okay, so nahulaan na natin guys. Ayan na po ang pinakaunang card natin, which is yung hamster tube. The card has been found. Well done. Okay, so para naman sa ating pangalawa na card para sa ating daily combo, para makareceive po tayo ng 5 million points, the same pa rin guys. Ang maganda, dito pa rin sa PRN team, and then sa baba lang halos, pero nasa right side. Okay? So, yung pinaka-next card natin, guys, is Coindesk. Okay? Maganda kasi naka-level 0 pa tayo. So, 1k lang yung kailangan. So, talagang ready yung remaining balance natin. So, click natin, guys, yung Coindesk. Ayan. So, again, nasa ano sila? Same sila ng guys, ng category dun sa PRN team. Halos magkatabi nga lang ng hamster tube. So, click natin yung go ahead. And then, ayan na. The second card is assembled. Just a little bit left. Okay. So, ngayon guys, okay na tayo sa ating pangalawang card. So, ayan. The card has been found. Well done para sa ating pangalawa. So, yung pinakapangatlo natin guys, nasa legal naman. Ayan. So, click nyo yung legal. Tapos, i-click nyo guys yung license India na nasa pinakababa. Ayan. Okay. So, punta kayo ng legal. Tapos, license India. Ang maganda, mababa lang din pala yung kailangan natin na points guys kasi level 0 pa lang tayo. So, kailangan lang natin ng 45k para ma-level up natin. Okay, so click na natin tong License India. Tapos, go ahead. Ayan. So, guys, yay! The combo is complete. You're doing great. And then, ayun na nga, meron na tayong 5 million na additional points. I-click lang natin yung take the prize. Okay, so overall guys, it's a good thing. Bakit? Dahil medyo konti lang yung points na kinailangan natin guys para mahulaan natin yung tatlong card. So again, lahat po ng card is na natin, the card has been found. Well done. And then since mababa lang yung points na kailangan natin for the level up, yun, naging 23,888 plus yung pinaka-points natin. Okay, so ulitin ko lang guys, no? Ang unang card natin, yung hamster tube. Ayan, so ito yung hamster tube. Makikita nyo guys dito sa PR and team. I-click nyo lang yan and then bubungad agad yung pinaka-hamster tube. And then para naman sa pangalawang card natin, which is itong Coindesk, nandito lang ulit sa PR team and then nasa baba lang halos ng hamster tube pero nasa right side. So ito yung Coindesk. Okay? Ayan, and then for our third card, which is yung License India, ayan, so the card has been found. Well done. Pupunta naman po kayo dito sa legal. Okay? Diyan sa legal, yung pinakababa, makikita nyo agad yung License India. Ayan, so level 1 pa lang tayo, so medyo mababa pa lang yung points na kailangan for the level up. Okay? So thank you sa panonood guys. Wag niyong kakaligtaan dahil sayang din ang ating 5 million points for our daily combo. So ulitin ko lang, Hamster Tube, CoinDesk, and then License India. Okay, so pwede naman yan mag-jump ball, pwede nyo unahin yung License India, yung CoinDesk, and then ihuli nyo yung Hamster Tube. Basta, any of the combination of the 3 card. Okay, so muli, Hamster Tube, CoinDesk, and then License India. Okay, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana makakuha rin kayo ng 5 million additional points, guys. Thank you so much!